Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it and now let's tap on this three dot icon. Here let's tap on history, and as you can see here we've got the full list of previously visited websites. If you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. If you want to clear much more browsing data, just tap on this clear browsing data option, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and after tapping on advanced we can also remove saved passwords, auto-fill data and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So let me pick, for example, the passwords and auto-fill data and also the site settings. Just tap on the one you want to remove and click on clear data. Let's tap on clear, and as you can see the history has been deleted successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.